So, what is guided autobiography? If you're like most people, you have a lifetime of memories in your head and no idea where to begin to record them. Maybe you've tried writing before and then stopped. Or maybe it's been sitting on your to-do list for years. Or maybe you started one of those prompt books or subscribed to a service that sends you prompts and then you never kept it up. But don't worry, it's never too late to start, and it's never too early if you're one of the youngins. What if I introduce a way for you to get these stories written down just 2 pages at a time? Hi, I'm Alicia Knox. I'm a story doula and memoir writing facilitator based on the shores of Lake Chapala in Mexico. I teach guided autobiography classes with my husband, Greg Kemp. We were both trained through the Birren Center of Autobiographical Studies. We help people find, write, and preserve their stories that matter most for themselves and for the people they love. If you're new here, welcome. And if this speaks to you at all, go visit my website and sign up for my newsletter. All the information's below. If you already know you want to join a class, the link to register is in the description. I'll mention again at the end, but stay with me because I want you to understand exactly what this experience looks like. I hear this from people all the time who've lived full, remarkable lives, raised families, crossed oceans, survived things they've never spoken about, who sit down to write and then they freeze. Not because they don't have stories, but because they just don't even know where to start. And they're not sure anyone will really care. Somewhere along the way, they told themselves that their life wasn't interesting enough to write about. I can tell you that this is never true. Not once with all our students have we ever heard a boring story. So Guided Autobiography is a structured memoir writing class that uses meaningful prompts to guide you through the stories of your life. 1 theme at a time, 2 pages at a time. That's it, just 2 pages. Anyone can write 2 pages. And this isn't necessarily about writing to publish a book, although of course this is always a possibility or an option. Greg and I teach a 6-week class live in person here in Ajijic or online for anyone, anywhere in the world. Each week you receive a theme with a series of prompts to help stimulate your memories. You write 2 pages at a time in your own home, in your own words. We encourage you to find a quiet place to write and carve out time during the week to complete your story. We then gather again and you share what you've written. You share what you're ready to share. And what happens in the group, it's with this deep listening, is something I really can't fully describe. It's so affirming for the storyteller to be heard in this way. It's just something that just doesn't happen a lot in our world. So to be clear, this is not a writing class where someone corrects your grammar or critiques your vocabulary. It's not an app that sends you prompts and questions. Greg and I are with you every single week, creating a space that's safe and warm and very inclusive. And people rave about the experience. In fact, some of our students are now joining us for their 4th round of classes. They finish 6 weeks and then they sign up again and again. They feel such a sense of accomplishment and get excited to keep going. At the end of the 6 weeks, you'll have a collection of your own written stories ready to pass down to the people you love. Some people use these classes as a space to reflect on their lives with no intention of passing the stories on to anyone. That's great too. And something else we didn't expect when we started to teach these classes was that most people leave feeling a deeper sense of meaning, understanding, and even gratitude about their own life. Writing your stories has a way of helping you make sense of your life. If something in this video is stirring something in you, if there's a story you've been meaning to tell or someone in your life whose stories you were afraid of losing, here's what I want you to do. Drop me a line. or register for a class. If you're ready to talk about joining a class, let's have a real visit or a virtual visit. The link is in the description. Honestly, it'll just be a relaxed conversation, no pressure, no obligation, just you, me, and your stories. So remember, it's never too late to begin to write your stories, and it's never too early. I'll see you in class. Thanks.